What is a VPN app?
A VPN app, or Virtual Private Network app, protects your internet activity by creating a secure, encrypted connection between your device and the internet. It hides your real location and keeps your online data private, even on public Wi-Fi. VPN apps are commonly used for extra security, accessing region-locked content, and maintaining privacy on your smartphone.
Why use a VPN on your mobile device?
Using a VPN on your phone safeguards your personal data from hackers, especially on public or unsecured Wi-Fi networks. It can keep browsing history private from advertisers and internet providers. Traveling users can access home content or apps that may be restricted in certain countries, making a VPN app helpful for both security and convenience.
How to choose a VPN app?
To pick the right VPN app, look for strong security features like encryption and a no-logs policy. Check for user-friendly design and positive reviews. Consider the speed of connections, server locations, and reliable customer support. Many VPN providers offer both free trials and paid plans. Choose one that fits your needs and budget.
Setting up a VPN app on your smartphone.
First, download a reputable VPN app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and follow the setup prompts. You may need to create an account. Allow necessary permissions for network access. Once set up, tap to connect to a VPN server. The app will notify you when your connection is secure and active.
Tips for using a VPN app effectively.
Keep your VPN app updated for the latest security features. Turn on the VPN whenever you're on public Wi-Fi. Choose a server location based on your privacy needs or to access specific content. If your connection slows down, try different servers. Remember to disconnect when you no longer need the VPN active.